Hello everyone, welcome to the Radhe channel. Like the previous video, today I am going to show how to extract name and contour from the Google Earth without field visit or field survey. At first, let me inform you that the application of the output of the today video is limited only for the low accuracy and economical work, such as general visualization of the landscape to understand the basic topography, feasibility study of the project, approx planning of the different infrastructure project, as like there are many region or area where this generated contour can be fruitful, which save time, value and money. Let me take you to the interface of the Google Earth. You can see different features, tools in Google Earth. For the elevation data, first click terrain feature on the layer. After clicking the terrain feature, you can see the three-dimensional data can be obtained, where northing, easting, and elevation data is obtained. Now source the study area. For this video or for this study, I select Narayan municipality of the Doilik district as the study area. Narayan municipality, Nepal. Select source. And then zoom to the study area. Here we can see our study area. Select the appropriate site. Now right click on the temporary places, add folder, give the folder name as DEM, DEM. Okay. Now right click the DEM folder, then click path. To obtain the elevation data from the Google Earth, first we have to extract the point data as a path in camel format. For that, we need to create as many points as possible to extract more accurate DEM data, that is raster data, after the interpolation. We can see how point data can be extracted from Google Earth. The more detailed the information, the more fruitful the output will be, or we can select the point in the random way also, and now give the name to the path, that is points. Okay, then save these points as kml format, save place as points in kml format. Now save. For the elevation data, we have to convert the kml file into gpx file format, for which GPS visualization we can use, where choose file, then select the KML file that we created from Google Earth, that is points. Click points, open, and make sure the output format is GPX file format, and convert and add elevation. After this process, conversion is take place, where this code is used for the conversion process. Now we can download our gpx file format. Downloading carry out. Now open this file in ArcGis, where gpx file is converted into feature. In source bar, say source gpx to feature tool, then gpx to feature. Now give input to the gpx file that we obtained from gps visualizer, and give output file, that is gps to feature, then save. Now okay. In this way, elevation data is obtained from the Google Earth. Now our next task is to obtain a DEM file, which is a raster file, raster data from these elevation points, from these points. For this, go to the arc2b box, then 3D analyze tool, Now, then we go to the raster interpolation. Here are many techniques for the interpolation. In this video, we choose IDK technique. Here, give input to the GPX to feature file, then Z value elevation, and give the output raster name, which is DEM. Other value default. uh, then processing is carrying out, and DEM data can be obtained thoroughly. Here we can see that this white color give the higher elevation value in DEM, and green color give the lower elevation value. We can check them in Google Earth also. um, Here we can see this middle part show the higher elevation, and this cider one show the lower elevation, as in DEM value. Now our next task is to obtain a contour, for which go to Arc Toolbox, then 3D Analyze tool, raster surface, contour, give input to the DEM value, uh, then output, that is contour. For contour interval, in the Ili region, we can give the higher value of the contour interval. Contour interval depend upon the our purpose of the project, or purpose of the study, and study area we selected. Here I'll give the contour interval of the 20 meter. 20 meter, and other value default. Okay, in this way we can obtain the contour line also. We can label this contour line, for which right click to label the feature. We can label this contour line by the contour value, for which right click property, label contour value, then apply. Okay. In this way contour can be obtained. Our next task is to obtain the, or is to smooth this contour line. For contour smoothing, go to the source bar, and then source smooth line, click to the smooth line, and then input feature contour, output name is smooth, mm, smooth shape, uh, smoothing algorithm pick, smoothing tolerance 150 meter. I will give 150 meter, then okay. In this way we can obtain smooth contour line. Then we can see the difference between contour line and smooth contour line, and label this smooth contour line. Label this by giving the contour value. This is our final output of today's work. In next video we will talk about the index contour and intermediate contour also. For today, bye bye.